Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 38 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the question, it is impossible to determine both the position and momentum of the electron simultaneously and accurately is called. Right? We know that electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular paths, right, in a certain velocity. So it is impossible to find the momentum as well as position of an electron simultaneously and accurately. That was explained by Heisenberg. So that principle is called as Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So it is impossible to determine both the position and momentum of the electron simultaneously and accurately is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So the option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, delta x and delta p greater than or equal to dash. So this is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What it is saying? It is saying that it is impossible to momentum and position of electron to determine is impossible, right? So that is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. In this formula, delta x is the position uncertainty and delta p is the momentum uncertainty. It is always greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. H by 4 pi, right? 4 pi. So the correct option is third option, which is relation of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, in Heisenberg uncertainty relation, that is delta x and delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. So what is the delta x is? We know that Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that is, it is impossible to determine position and momentum of an electron in the circular orbits, right? So in that way, delta x is the position uncertainty. Delta x is the position in uncertainty. Right? So the correct option is fourth option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, if the position of electron is determined, that is delta x equal to 0, then what is delta v? Delta v is the velocity of that particular electron. If the position is 0, then what will be the velocity? If the velocity is infinity, then we cannot find the position of that electron. So the position will be the 0. So here delta v is the infinity. So the correct option is third option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, if velocity of electron is determined delta v equal to 0, then what about delta x? Delta x obviously infinity, because this is vice versa. If delta x equal to 0, then delta v equal to infinity. So if delta v velocity is 0, we can find the position of that particular electron. So that is delta x equal to infinity. So there are infinity positions are there. If the velocity of electron is 0, then the correct option is first option. Clear? So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.